starting first is polity. I did the basic Lakshmikant book for polity. So when you start preparing polity, if you first pick up Lakshmikant and you find difficulty in reading the book, only then go about doing NCERTs. Many a time people say that it's a norm to go through the NCERTs of 6 to 12, but I'll say just save your time and depending on your strength and weakness, analyze. Some of you might have gone through these subjects at your +2 level in your graduation. Do not pick up 6th, 7th NCERTs then and try to waste your time. Only if you have not gone through those subjects, it has been a long lost time since you have got in touch with those subjects, try to go through them again. Otherwise, it's okay. Lakshmikant has to be done cover to cover and has to be done very enthusiastically. Note making for books like these, I would not suggest, because it's a book in which every line becomes important if you look at the format in which the book is written. And if you people have the Lakshmikant, you'll see if you turn the chapter, when the chapter gets over, there's a yellow colored box in the end, which has certain notes and references given back to the chapter. It talks about certain constitutional amendments that have introduced it or has some clarifications. Only once go through this, once when you're reading the chapter, highlight whatever is important or just take a sticky note, write it, go back and write it in the main chapter itself, so that you don't have to go through it again. But do it once, because some facts become very important from that also. And then keep revising Lakshmikant as many times as you can, because it is the holy grail for your prelims. Okay, and the Lakshmikant also in the end has certain portion of analysis for mains, which we ignore that when mains will come, we will read, we will not read it now. Trust me, it does not take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Please do give it a read even while you are preparing for pre, because when you come through the main stage, you will not find a lot of time to go through the basic books again. And at that point of time, your passive memory will recollect. So just go through it once, and a better understanding, so a better integrated approach of both prelims and mains helps you also in your prelims. And if you look at the paper today of prelims, you will realize that analytical portion becomes very important. Your applied knowledge becomes important, not just what you learn, the basic facts. So go through that. The second would be economics. So polity constitutes about 18 questions, which is a huge margin. And the